Come on, everybody! Let's go to the grocery store! Come on, everybody, let's go to the grocery store.
Kai and Zuri are ready, let's have fun and explore.
Catch the egg, catch the egg. Don't let it fall. Catch the egg, catch the egg. We can save them all. Roll, roll, here we go, slowly on the floor.
Kai and Zuri save the eggs, hip hip hooray once more.
Walking down the fruit aisle, smiles from ear to ear. A little egg starts rolling, quick, it's coming near.
Kai runs nice and carefully, Zuri points the way. Working as a team together makes a happy day.
Catch the egg, catch the egg. Don't let it fall. Catch the egg, catch the egg. We can save them all. Apples, pears, and bananas, milk and tasty bread.
Eggs are safe inside the cart, just like Mama said.
Count them one by one today.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone's alive.
red egg, blue egg,
Brown egg, white.
hold them gently, nice and tight. Sharing, helping, laughing too. Shopping fun for me and you.
Catch the egg, catch the egg.
Hip hooray!
Kai and Zuri save the day. Clap your hands, stomp your feet.
Shopping time is such a treat.
Wave goodbye, see you soon. Morning, afternoon, or moon.
Thanks for singing, come and play.
With Go Go Katie's TV every day.